What up, guys? This is Matthew, the designer. Today we are discussing mockups. What is a mockup? A mockup is a realistic computer-generated picture which has been superimposed. Like you can take a real-life picture, maybe from the client, and you put a sign which was not there to create a mockup, to create something close to reality. Maybe for different reason the client want to see how it looks like, and for some other reason that we're going to talk about today. This is a signage proposal, hospital signage proposal that I've designed, printed, laminated, and I also did the saddle stitching. So this is just a proposal. In my proposal, I like to be detailed. I like to be very, very, very detailed. As you can see here, this is a project, supply and delivery of hospital signage. I write the client, I write the designer, I write the date, and I also version date my documents. And also get this is the first revision. Sorry for that. This is my front page. I like to be detailed in the documents that I prepare. I also provide some content when need be. This is the problem statement, this is the problem definition, this is the solution, and this is the plan of action in the proposal. These are the items that we are selling in the company. They are called curve sign. So in trying to sell these items, mockups are very, 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 very important. In fact, even if you are not selling these items, mockups are very, very important. Mockups, they help you to get the client to sign for something that has not been built yet. Maybe it's something that you're going to outsource or you're still going to organize. But if you do a mock-up, they get a look and feel of a real life thing. Hence, they can buy into that instead of just designing something like this, which they don't really have an idea. Let's say this was a signage sent via PDF. They don't have an idea of how it's going to look like in real life. But now, mock-ups make it simple for them, or they helped in their imagination, like to see how it's gonna look like. For instance, here this is an assembly a point. This is a board. Here there was an old sign, so I just superimposed this new one. I've made a background a little bit darker. There is some sort of a black layer there, which may be 95% transparency. The reason is I wanted the client or the user to focus on this board rather than being disturbed by other things. Okay, so this one, it's a light box. The one that I want us to concentrate on, it's this one, the curve signage. As you can see, not this one, not this one, not this one, this one. So as you can see, this is a curvy sign, but it's a mock-up. It's on the door. It's a mock-up. It shows you how it looks like in real life. This has been designed by Coral Draw. As you can see, it's not as realistic as possible, but it's like I can say 75% there, 75% there. So this proposal, the client can approve it and sign it off and sign the invoice because they have seen how is the signage gonna look like in real life, instead of like having something that they don't really understand. So that is one of the important things about the mock-up. The more realistic it be, the more enticing, the more it gets the clients to be raises their emotion to want it to see it printed. With that, they can do anything as far as my experience is concerned. If you show them a normal paper or just a normal signage without a mock-up, they don't get an understanding of how it's going to look like. They don't catch the idea. But if you show them a mock-up, they start to have their own ideas. Can you shift it to here? Can you shift it to here? That's where you know that you are winning. And then after that, you know, we must get to signing the deal. Like you must get the client to sign on the dotted line. So this is one of the things that we manufacture as a company. They are called curve sign. Now I'm just gonna show you the realistic look of a curve sign. This is how these sign look like. You can put it like this, you can put it against the wall like this, you can put it anywhere. This is the back of it, and then here we're gonna put an ABS board here with a vinyl on top. Then it becomes a sign. It's ready for you to screw it against the wall. And this is also another curve sign, as you can see. You see, it's a curve sign. So this is a real curve sign, and that one that I showed you, it's a mock-up. So mock-ups are very important. Mock-ups are very important. They help the client to see this in real life, how it's gonna look like, and also they get the client to sign on the dotted lines.